Yep, I've got that. Yep. Could you hold for me a second? Hello? Yeah, I'm on the other line. Could you hold? Yes, I've got that. I'll call you back. Hi there. Can I give you a call back later? Thank you. Well, if you're a regular visitor to the Alert website, you'll know that information management is a subject we visited many times before. And now perhaps you can see why. Because when you consider the importance of the human element in the safe running of ships, communication between all the stakeholders is crucial, and that requires management. And of course, there is the human element to every information management system. But have you ever wondered why you're being asked to provide certain pieces of information, and what's being done with it once you've provided it? And what is an information management system anyway?
Well, information management is about the storage, processing, transmission, input and output of information.
Putting it simply, that means making sure the information is presented and prepared at the right time, to the right person, and in a form that is immediately understood and relevant to the situation at hand.
Seafarers, especially the master and his senior officers, have to deal with a lot of paper-based logs and reporting forms. These not only add to their workload, but can also present opportunities for error. Even worse, misreporting. Yet, many shipping companies still rely on handwritten logs for their reporting, which can be easily doctored.
But here is an area where technology can be put to good use. Electronic monitoring and reporting, for example.
These days, onboard electronic systems can record exact real-time data such as engine performance, fuel usage, tank levels, ballast exchange, valve openings, oily water separator runtimes, outputs from oil content monitors, to name but a few.
And on the bridge, the master and the officer of the watch have got extremely sophisticated information systems, providing position, speed, course steered and made good, depth of water, rate of turn and so on. And of course, radar provides information on land and ships in the vicinity.
Not only does electronic monitoring and reporting reduce the crew's paperwork burden, but more importantly, because the information is accurate and unalterable, it improves behaviour. Transparency and the certainty of auditable data ensures that crews comply with company policies. It protects them from unfair pressure to commit violations. It also protects the company officers from environmental incidents and reporting errors that could lead to their own prosecution, or end up costing the company money or damaging its reputation.
One of the most recent talked about innovations is e-navigation. This is a concept to ensure that users on board ships and ashore have the information they need, when they need it, and in a usable format. Putting it simply, it's a means of managing maritime information. A well-integrated ECDIS with the capability to integrate other information, such as from radar and the AIS, the Automatic Identification System, has the potential to greatly improve the way that information is presented to the officer of the watch.
Despite the obvious technological advances, some believe there's a question mark over the information it produces. Could there be too much information in the maritime community today? And will the management systems be properly integrated?
Clearly, what is needed is the pulling together of all the elements, and then understanding their impact on the human element. And there are questions here too. For each job or task, why is the information being communicated? What sort of information needs to be communicated? Where is it going to? Where will it be stored? How will it be communicated? When is it needed? And for how long?
But one thing is already clear. If handled properly, the application of computer, communications and software technology for the management, processing and dissemination of information can actually be beneficial to the safe conduct of the ship, its crew, and the safe delivery of its cargo. That's it for this issue. More information and other opinions from marine professionals can be found in the bulletin, which is available to download on the website. Happy sailing and hope to see you back here again soon. Hello? Yes? Sorry, could you hold for me a second? Hi there. Yeah, I'm going to have to give you a call back. I'm on the other line. No,
fight.